Hello everyone, you're welcome to Learn Maths with me. In this channel, I'll be taking you through in-depth tutorials covering a wide range of topics from basic arithmetic to advanced maths. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also drop any questions for me in the comments. Today we want to take a look at LCM and HCF. By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to understand how to find the LCM and HCF of different numbers. LCM stands for lowest common multiple and HCF stands for the highest common factor. So how do we find the LCM? If you're given two numbers and asked to find their LCM, just list the multiples of both numbers and find the smallest number in both lists. For example, we want to find the LCM of 12 and 16. We have the multiples of 12 as 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. We have the multiples of 16 as 16, 32, 48, 64, 80. Now we have in the multiple of 12 and in the multiple of 16, we have 48. 48 is common to both. So the LCM of 12 and 16 will be 48. Another way to find the LCM is to list out the prime factors of both numbers. And if a factor appears more than once in either of the numbers, all the factors are listed out that many times. Then we multiply the numbers together to get the LCM. Now let's use this method to find the LCM of 12 and 16. So for the multiples of 12, we have 2 in 2 places and then we have 3. Then for the multiples of 16, we have 2 in 4 places. Now to get the LCM, because we have 2 in 2 places for the multiple of 12 and 2 in 4 places for the multiple of 16, we have to take all the multiples of 2, which is 2 in 4 places, and then we also multiply it by 3, which also happens to be a multiple of 12. So using this method, we will get that the LCM will be 2 in 4 places times 3, which is 48. Now let's go on to find the HCF. The HCF, if you have two numbers and you're asked to find the HCF, you list the factors of both numbers and you find the biggest number in both lists. Now the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now we have the factors of 12. We have 1 in both factors, we have 2 in both factors, and we have 4 in both factors. So the highest of the factors is 4. So our HCF will be 4. Another method to find the HCF, to list all the prime factors that appear in both numbers and then we'll multiply this together. So the factors of 12, we have 2, 2 and 3. For the factors of 16, we have 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now we have 2 appearing twice here and we have 2 appearing 4 times here. So we have in both numbers 2 appears at least twice. So the HCF will be 2 times 2, which is 4. Let's take a look at another example. The LCM and the HCF of 24 and 30. To get the LCM of 24, we'll break it down into its multiples. So 24 is 2 raised to power 3 times 3. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 gives me 24. And for 30, it's 2 times 3 times 5. So to get the LCM of 24 and 30, because I have 2 appearing 3 times, my LCM will be 2 times 2 times 2, 2 to the power of 3. Then I'll pick one of these 3, which will give me times 3 and then times 5. So the LCM of 24 and 30 will give me 120. While the HCF of 24 and 30, if I break it down into its multiples, factors of 24 are 2, 2, 2 and 3, and 2, 3 and 5. Now we have 2 is common in both numbers and 3 is also common in both numbers. So the HCF will be 2 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 6. I have some practice questions. You want to try it out and put the answers in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.